This is Jastiny, and welcome to the Battery Shop.
This 2013 Toyota Camry has its 12-volt battery right here under the hood, and it's fairly easy to get to. But a vehicle like this has a lot of electronics, and we're going to have to preserve the memory as we replace the battery in this vehicle. So, before you begin, always check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure that you have everything you need, you're familiar with the project, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in a vehicle like this. Here's how it's done.
We're going to use a jump pack to keep the car's memory alive. To do that, we're going to take the black lead and connect it to the black cable, and the red lead and the red cable.
The next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need your 10mm wrench for that. Then remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal.
Then you'll remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal.
The next step is to loosen the fasteners for the battery hold-down bracket.
And then remove the battery hold-down bracket.
Now we can remove the old battery from the vehicle. And install the replacement battery.
And the next step is to clean any corrosion from the battery terminals. As well as the battery cables.
The next step is to reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket.
And reinstall the fasteners.
Next, reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal and retighten the fastener.
Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and retighten the fastener. And finally, remove the jump pack from the battery cables. And we're done.